Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find Home, Exterior, Screen and Wallpaper. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got plenty of albums and options to choose from, but let's focus on this wallpaper section. So let's tap, and here we've got some albums with wallpapers from which we can choose the wallpaper from, obviously. So here we've got our own gallery, we've got some recommended ones, and here we've got some pre-installed wallpapers. Here we've got my wallpapers, so simply here are stored the wallpapers which are currently set, and under it we've got also some more albums. We can of course tap on more wallpapers and find some more, but let me enter recommended, and as you can see here we've got 6 different options from which we can choose, and 2 of them are the live wallpapers, so let's say animated ones, but I think I will stick to the static wallpaper. So let me tap on it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen, so we can check the preview. Here if you will pick the static wallpaper, you will be able to change the blurriness. So let's tap on this drop icon, and as you can see, just by using the switcher you can pick the level of blurriness. In the right upper corner we've got the eye icon, and after tapping on that we can check how it will look like with all the apps and icons applied. So if you're happy with your choice, you have to simply tap on apply, and as you can see here we've got actually 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the exterior screen, and this is the screen which is located right here. So after, let's say, closing the device, and this wallpaper will be shown there. We've got also lock screen, home screen, and both of them, and I think I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. So if you want to change the wallpaper for the exterior screen, you will have to do it let's say manually. You cannot just automatically set the lock screen, the home screen and the exterior one. So we had the information that the wallpaper has been set, and as you can see, after getting back to the home page, we can see that the photo has been immediately applied. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.